You can subscribe to my OnlyFans to see the try-on haul of these. Once you get the Whoop 5.0, you'll have to buy a whole new wardrobe. Whoop just released 4.0. They have a whole bunch of new accessories, special clothes that you can wear to essentially turn your Whoop 4.0 into like a smart clothing. I ordered everything on their website. That's for men's. I didn't order any of the women's stuff. The Whoop 3.0 on my biceps still. The Whoop SUPERKNIT Bicep Band. And if you are new to Whoop, make sure to use my Whoop link down below. And then here we have their advanced technical garments. Performance shorts, performance tee, and you can see the red right there, that's where you would actually place your Whoop strap. The athletic boxer, the performance short, the Whoop 4.0 upper arm sleeve, their everyday boxer. This is like a whole Whoop wardrobe. Whoop Whoop. This is essentially the first cool smart clothing. No one will know that you're wearing a Whoop. Track your biometrics, be a health nerd, and you don't have to show the entire world. You rip it off, it's made of recycled materials. It's got a nice resealable bag. Whoop body. I'm wondering if this will work with the Whoop 3.0, but essentially you just slide it into that slot. I guess it wouldn't work with your Whoop 3.0 because that software and hardware is not built to work anywhere. It's just bicep and wrist. All right. So this is the everyday Whoop boxer. It's got a nice top. This kind of feels rather soft. It's stretchy, decent amount. It definitely feels like a little more cotton-y, but not full. It's like cotton / elastic. Definitely more of like a performance boxer. And then in is where you would slide your Whoop 4.0 strap into. I don't have it, so I can't tell you how it's going to feel with a little bit of a bump on the side of your hip. But I would assume over time your body will get used to it and you'll forget that it's there. This is their size medium Whoop strap. And let's see here. Size medium boxer. Yeah, more than likely this will fit on my waist. So there's 2 of these in here. Next is the athletic. Oh yeah. What a nice sound. 3-inch inseam, compression, breathability, elastic material. Yep, it definitely feels a little more elasticy. It's got a dark waistband rather than the gray one, but it still has a little bit of a Whoop ingrained in there, right? You can check that out. Nice and flexible. It's got a pouch for your stuff, if you know what I mean. And from the looks of it, this should fit on my waist. Also a size medium. And then this is where you would actually place your Whoop 4.0 into. Okay, let's try it. Whoop 3. How it would potentially work is you slide the Whoop 4. You would slide the Whoop 4 right into there. Your heart rate tracking would come out of those sensors. I don't know if this works because of accuracy and just the algorithms on the Whoop 3. This is the everyday boxer versus the athletic boxer. Just the different colors and styles and the material type. Definitely both have a polyester kind of elastic feel to it. This one more so than the... You can subscribe to my OnlyFans to see the try-on haul of these. Satisfying. Whoop performance shirt. I think any of these Whoop wearables, if you're doing an activity where you don't want it on your wrist, kettlebells, boxing, anything where something could rub against your Whoop and that gets in the way, these clothes are really neat. This is the large. Oh, that's neat. It just says Whoop right there. Definitely elastic feel to it. Look at that stretchiness. Ooh, yeah, this is real stretchy. It has the Whoop logo on the back. On the left bicep, you can see the Whoop logo, and that's where your Whoop strap would go. So you're gonna feel kind of a little bit of a device on that side of your bicep, which is the left side. This is the shirt in its full entity, the front and back. How about we... All right, this is extremely tight. Levels Health, 8 Sleep, linked below. If you look at the style of this shirt, it is wrapping around my biceps, real tight. See, look at that. Whoop strong. It is, yeah, it's really tight around my chest. You can kind of see that. Look at that. There's not much space. It's very elastic. It feels firm and tight. I think this would be great for working out. I don't know if it's a little too tight, and I'm not sure if it will shrink if you wear it over time. And this is kind of what it looks like on the back side, all the way 360. I might size up to an extra large. I'm 6 feet, 195 pounds. It just feels really, really tight. Now I need to cover performance shorts. I got 2 other colors, performance short.
Black and ice.
Oh, look how satisfying that looks. Ooh, yeah. This card where it says Whoop's body, or Whoop's corpse in Spain. All right, I'm loving this ice color. Check this out. This is a bright blue. Ooh, it is relatively thick. I like to have kind of like thinner shorts, easy to carry. You have a nice pocket here on the side with a zipper. It'll fit like an iPhone. Here's an iPhone 13. Yeah, it'll probably fit a Pro Max. You've got some space there. Let's see, will it go all the way in? Yep. It might barely fit the iPhone 13 Pro, so the Pro Max might be a tight fit. But then you can carry your phone, if you have a set of keys that could also go in there. Then you have your regular pockets with a little mini pocket inside of there. I think I could a secondary pocket within a pocket. You know those little pockets? Fits the entire iPhone 13 Pro in there. Oh yeah, and the big pocket is big. On the other side, we have the same thing, 2 sets of a pocket and a pocket within a pocket. Here's the waistband, stretchy strings to tie it if you need to tighten your shorts. There's the back, and then your Whoop 4.0 will slide right in there. Oh, this is neat. Back of the shorts say nothing. Front of the shorts has a Whoop logo with a little bit of a cut. And we've got this little black line as well. I think this is like a reflector on the back, and I like this little cut as well. Also on the inside, it has a liner. So you have a nice liner. Oh, this is perfect with another pocket. This is great. I love this. Is for phones if you're running. You don't want things flying inside your pockets. So this is neat. So it has a built-in liner. So let's put the shorts on. Bam. So this is the liner. As you can see on the inside, it wraps around your thigh. I love that. And then you have this.
Oh, this is great. Pocket on the short liner. Ideally, it would be on the right side, but it looks like...
Oh, they have it on both sides. That's clutch. So it's clean, it's even. You can run with your phone in your pocket and it's not gonna fly in your pants. And then you can put your keys on the other side so they don't scratch each other. I love this ice color with the Whoop logo. Damn, I wanna wear this out today. This is the waistband.
This is the medium short with a large shirt on an oddly shaped man, weird looking.
Zipper pocket if you don't wanna lose things. The pockets are enormous. They go out wide and everywhere. They literally come all the way to the bottom of the pants. Then you have your secondary pocket, which can almost fit some more hands in there. That's how big they are. In terms of lifting your legs, I love how the inseam is longer than the shorts itself. So when you're doing, let's say like squats or lifting your leg up, it doesn't get stuck on your skin, right? You don't want to get that. So always inseam longer than the shorts, just a tad. You have your reflectors for running. Overall, this feels good. I think this is a good workout short. A little too thick for my style, but also that provides more protection, more compression in your legs. So I would wear these. Now when it comes to the black, this is the all black, same short style, same color. You got the Whoop logo right there. You have your white reflector band on the back side of the thigh here. Same pockets, no pockets on the waistband. This is also a size medium. You have your Whoop strap right there. That goes in there, as well as the tag, your 2 pockets. Should say your 4 pockets. The zipper, so 5 pockets. Feels good, right? It's thick. It's a solid short. So my current favorite shorts, maybe Whoop should do a collaboration with Lululemon, is these Lulu shorts. They really only have 1 pocket, and that's inside of the leggings. These Lulus only have 1 pocket.
There is a foam pocket right here in the
parts of the legs. They do have a string, a strong waistband. And these are small, they're minimal, and like when you fold it up, like it's light, so it literally fits in my wrist. Like look at the size of that. Now if we take the Whoop short, this is kind of the size difference. It's almost compared to the Lululemon ones, which are smaller. So that in itself, like weight-wise, this is almost half the weight versus this. Why I love these Lululemon shorts. They're great for hot yoga and all that jazz. Maybe do a collab or find ways where I can put my Whoop 4.0 in current clothes. That'd be really cool. Whoop 4.0 upper arm sleeve. I do have the Whoop 3.0 upper arm sleeve. This unboxing is not as nice as the recycled ones. They're really emphasizing Whoop 4.0 body on their clothes. Whoop. So I guess once you get the Whoop 5.0, you'll have to buy a whole new wardrobe. I hope not. Say Whoop body rather than 4.0, unless the hardware is going to change and you need a whole wardrobe change. It'll actually go on your biceps. So this is kind of one way to wear it on your arm without having to buy a full new set of clothes. And if the Whoop is much easier to take on and off, then I might actually use this. I have the 3.0 version, but the process of unhooking and rethreading was just so complicated, I never used it. So we'll go on your bicep like so. The Whoop strap will be nice and tight. Bicep sleeve extra large because I got big guns, bro. And this is the Whoop 4.0 model. So some major differences. The 3.0 has a much bigger mountain. It's got this big round, really hard piece, whereas the 4.0 is much softer, not as much material. The 3.0 subtle with the logo, as well as Whoop written there in this kind of reflective form. The 4.0 is much better branded. They're just, you know, trying to yell. I've got the 4.0. It's lengthwise, it is much shorter on the 4.0, so it's just easier to put on. Widthwise, I would assume these are the same because they're the same size. Yep, and if you look at that, same width, which is nice. But yeah, lengthwise, drastically different. I would assume this is
more protection for things like jiu-jitsu and fighting.
Whereas this is just more subtle, and you can put this on. This is extra large, Whoop 4.0.
Extra large, Whoop 3.0.
They're kind of matching sizes, and you can see the 4.0 slot is a lot smaller, whereas the 3.0 is much bigger. Both have this. This is like a tongue sleeve to be able to slide it in and out. This one also has a tongue sleeve, just a little bit smaller. I've never actually worn this. I'm gonna wear it today just to experience it. Just slide this up, and then You probably want your Whoop in there before, but this is what it's going to look like on your arm. You have this big pouch covering your entire bicep. If you're doing any kind of workout, it's going to get sweaty and smelly. So I don't know if you wash it every time, every couple times, you let it dry out. But there you go, Whoop. Next, the Whoop SUPERKNIT bicep band. I got the all black small medium. This is kind of their text on the back of it. You get some instructions on how to put it on. Whoop section, bam, and there it is. This is the new Whoop 4.0 bicep band. Oh baby, I don't even have the 4.0, but I've got the bicep band. This is probably part of the new Capture Easy on clip-on system. We have the typical Whoop logo on the front, and this kind of hooks on. Did buy the large medium size for this band, but there was so much extra threading.
This is the side-by-side of the Whoop 3.0 versus the 4.0 bands, bicep bands. As you can probably tell, this is a voiceover, the audio cut out, so I'm just going to let the video play here, and you can see how lengthwise it's definitely shorter on the 3.0 and the 4.0 is longer. Widthwise, the 4.0 is actually a little wider, and the 3.0 is actually thinner when it comes to the widthwise. This, you can see the length and the actual bar suspension. The 4.0 is thicker as well, in left to right, as well as side to side here.
In terms of the length of the bands,
large 3 and a small 4.0 band.
When it comes to the insides of the bands, you have a different style of threading. I feel like the top one is the Whoop 3.0, the bottom one is the Whoop 4.0. Kind of moves side to side right there, so it's definitely a little wider. I obviously can't close it because it's thicker on the sides versus the Whoop 4.0. Damn, I really wish I could test this out. In terms of wrapping around my bicep, this doesn't even fit. Don't even think about going a size smaller. You have to keep that extra threading. I wish there was a middle size, but look at that, it barely fits. Once I get my Whoop 4.0, I can show you what it's like putting it in and share you the entire experience. I'm about 2 to 3 weeks away from getting my Whoop 4.0. Let me know in the comments below, what do you want to see in terms of the accessories and the Whoop 4.0? If you have not purchased yours, use my link down below. Help support the channel so I can spend thousands of dollars on Whoop clothing for you. That's the Whoop 4.0 accessories unboxing. Subscribe, peace.